I just thought, this is Melanie. I thought it would just be a little bit easier if I created this quick video to show you how I'm using Excel to get to some of this information. So I'm going to share my screen with you really quickly. All right. So here is the data set, and this corresponds with the example given to us in class. Is you employees work optimism is the X value, and employment success is the Y value. So super simple. I'm just going to do median first, right? And so we know that median equals the average. So equal sign average, right? As soon as I hit that equal sign, it's going to try to give me some options. And that is the median. So I think or the mean, my bad. All right, so the average is 55.5, and then I can just copy that over. The standard deviation, right, and I apologize, I'm just trying to go fast, so if I misspell anything, so I'm going to start standard deviation, and we have a sample, right? So I want the standard S, standard dev S, and I'm going to go up, and I'm going to grab my data sets. And end parentheses, and there's my standard deviation, which all matches with what was in the text. And then I just copy that over, right? So those are things we've already kind of covered in the past. And so now what I want to do is I want to go up here, and I'm going to create a scatter plot. And I can, I'm highlighting the text. There's a couple ways that we can do this, but I'm going to show you kind of the easiest way. You go to Insert, and you choose Scatter. So you can see here, I'm going to get kind of a generic scatter plot. And then I can go out to Quick Layout. So I'm in that chart design, I go to Quick Layout, and then I hit layout number 9. And then you can see all the regression stuff is done for us. And you can see all that data is in there for us already. I'm trying to make it a little bigger, my bad. Okay, apparently I'm not going to. Actually, let me just go up here. Go 15. There we go. So all of that data is plotted. So it's kind of cool for me. I can then see, oh, how close all of those lines are. I can see it's in a positive direction. They're positively correlated, and I can see, yeah, just all that data. So I'm going to slide that down here. And then I'm going to do some of the analysis. So if I want to calculate slope, I go insert, or I'm sorry, equal sign, type slope. And then it's going to say the y's, I'm going to do the y values first. So there we go. And then I'm going to do comma x values. And so then I can get my slope. And so there's my slope, and you can see it matches the chart below. And then if I want to do the intercept, equal sign intercept, there it is. I'm going to follow the directions, my known y's. There we go, comma, my known x's. Perfect. And there's my intercept, and that matches as well. If I want to do my correlation coefficient, right? So I'm going to say equal signs core L. And this one, I'm going to do my x's first. I'm not including my mean or anything there, and then my y's. And my correlation coefficient is 9.977. You can see that. I'm just checking my work here. Yep, I'm good. Okay. So that kind of tells us a lot of information, but there is another kind of simpler way to do some of this. And so I'm going to go up into data, and I'm going to go and I'm going to make sure that my tools are correct. So in data, and go to analysis tools and make sure that this analysis tool pack is turned on. And then I'm going to go data analysis, and we're learning about regression, but you can see the other types of, I mean, there's correlate, like all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to do regression and say, okay. It's going to ask me for my input range. So I'm going to go to my Y's, and I'm going to go, and it kind of guessed for me, didn't it? So there's the Y's, and it's going to ask for my X range. And it's up, it's good to go. And I'm including my rows there with my titles. It's got labels, and then it's going to say, okay, output range, where do I want to do with this? So I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to say, okay. Oh. It's because my X's are wrong. My bad. Sorry about that. X. There we go. Let's try that again. Let me check all that. And my C. Okay, sorry about that. All right. I need to pull down and get my, they have to be equal. So I did not capture that last column there. That's going to cause me a problem. Okay, now I look 1 and 1, 11, 11. Okay, now I should be good. There we go. So all those kind of cool data points that we are learning about, they are now all here for me. So I've got everything I needed. And again, this is just if you don't have access to cool software and you're already familiar with Excel like I am. I use Excel all the time. This is just easier for me to be able to access this information without having to learn something brand spanking new. All right, hope this was helpful. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.